359 Inman Street in Southwest Atlanta, which is in Westview. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home that has been restored. It's a 1920s property that's been restored. As you'll see as we walk through it, it has an open floor plan, but many great original details left in this property. So here we go, and this time I won't do so much talking. I just really want you to see this home and get excited before I bring it to market, because I'm in love. It reminds me of my Hopkins Street house, and I kind of want to make an offer. Anyway, here we go. It's again a 3-bedroom, 3-bath. This is bedroom number 1 off the front. Can be used as an office, but each of the room has crown molding, and we'll have shoe molding, and it's just beautifully done. The floors are with their first coat of poly, but they'll be gleaming. And you'll see this room has 2 closets. Fireplaces in this home are decorative, but they are being cleaned up. They'll have beautiful textured tile. I think that is a slate tile on the fireplace, and all of the closets will have shelf, so you don't have to worry, be like, oh, the closets are too small. There are 2 closets in the rooms, and they all will have shelving systems. This house does have a central hall. You know, I love the halls, especially with my Noah, because he loves riding his bike in my house. And this is the first bathroom. There are 3 full bathrooms. The electricity isn't done yet, but when you see this, you'll love it. Take my word from it. Plenty of storage, floating sink and vessel bowl, tiled shower. The bathroom behind the door does have a closet space for storage. This room here in the middle to my left has another fireplace. It's the double fireplace from room number 1. Similar to that with the ledge, again, the slate tile behind that. And double closets that will have built-in, we were saying a his and hers. The his, of course, is significantly smaller than the hers. Or it could be, you know, just yours for all closets of the house. These are some of the fixtures that will be put into the house to complete the look once it's done. But you'll see the master. This would be the master, although the rear bedroom has a bath also. But it has a double shower, floor to ceiling tile. Pretty nice sized bathroom here, again with the slate floor tile. Different from the hall bath, double vanity. Gonna get our mirrors up in here and do a punch list to complete this home. Should be ready in another few weeks. I'm hoping another 3 to 4 weeks I can get this one on the market, because I'm so excited to get this in the hands of the right owner. If I don't buy it myself, I'm probably going to talk them into an exchange. My house for this one. This hall of the back bedroom, it has a little niche just for some artwork or any kind of vessels you want to put there. Just a little decorative niche. But as you see, the bedrooms are all equal sizes. This one appears to be slightly larger because it does not have a fireplace, which is wonderful because you do have that wall space for your bed. You will want to navigate that in that middle room. But if you choose to, you can make this a master in the rear, because it does also have a bathroom with a shower and double vanities. So this is very functional as a guest room, roommate plan, or if you wanted to just make this a master. You don't get the double showers, but hey, you take a shower and get in, get out, and enjoy the rest of the house. And there will be double vanities in there as well. Again, the closets in this room too, in the back, will have a shelving system put in to accommodate anything you have, and really so that you won't have to wonder, what do I do with this space? It looks too shallow. What I love about this house too is the natural wood that they use for additional support and bracing. When they opened the floor plan out, they didn't just knock out walls and leave it open. They made sure to steady and shore up the shore up the structure from below and also above. So you're getting a very good quality home. A lot of love went into this product. As you can see, we are now in our kitchen dining room combo off the rear, and an island will be here. It will be a movable island, so you don't have to be there if you don't want, since the dining area will be here. You see the living room is in the front there, their fireplace and built-in bookshelves. So this will be a dining area. We'll have an island here in our open kitchen. We're gonna have pendant lights above our island that will be, again, movable. But what I love too about this home and what they've done, they are putting in all of your appliances, not just some, but you're gonna have a dishwasher, gas stove, oven, microwave, a wine cooler, and a washer and dryer. How many homes are being sold today in the West End with all of that? And sometimes it's either or. You want the vent hood, you want the microwave, you want a wine cooler, but you're certainly not getting a washer and dryer. And I think this seller took a lot of care. Oh, also they gave you a pantry. Do you like this color door? Our laundry door will be similar. We're trying to keep the flow going with our honey stained wood so that everything can be consistent and done intentionally, done out of care and love. So your pantry shelving will be put in there, and this is, you know, the back with all of our appliances and stuff we got to put in place. But this will be our washer dryer area and your mud room area. The backyard will have a deck and will be fenced in, so totally private. Again, I love this house. They took a lot of time and care. It's been a long time coming. When I first met this couple who did the restoration of this home, it was the beginning of this year. We're in October. So I can tell you, they didn't go cheap and they didn't cut corners. So whoever get this home, if I don't get it myself, will get a wonderful product. Now, the only problem is, if I get it myself, where will I put my other daughter who is away at college? Funny story, Noah said, since Lydia left us, she's no longer in the family, so we don't have to count her when we look at homes anymore. So a 3-bedroom will be fine. Anyway, I would love to show you this property. Can't wait to bring it to market. Haven't decided on price. There is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath listed on Inman now, listed at $399. What do you think of that price? Love to hear from you and get some ideas on what we should list this property at. Let me know if you want to see it. Again, we're going to try to bring it to market in I'd say about 3 to 4 weeks. We just got a punch list of items to do and make sure it's our best product before we give it to you. Thanks for touring.